with the search engine optimization. It looks like it's overcrowded. A lot of people use that term, and it's not really going to work for my channel. So those are the things that you need to consider when you are starting a YouTube channel. The name of the channel, right? What's good, YouTube? I deal mainly with tech issues, and right. So we about to name the channel. So I'm just going through ideas of what I could name the channel. In my community, a lot of people, a lot of my friends, family, work, and all of that, they always call me when they have tech issues, and I have to guide them, help them one or two here and there. So they ended up giving me a name. They pick up the phone and they're like, "Hey, Techno, yo, Techno." I'm like, "Hey, okay." So maybe it's time I accept it, because whenever they say, "Hey, Techno, what do I do?" I've tried everything. Then, "Oh, hey, Techno, hey, this," so that's how the word Techno King came from, inspired by Elon Musk. So that's like from my community. So that's how the name came to be. Now I've taken that name, adopted it for the channel. So I was trying to find resonance with what I can do with the channel and what people can relate to. Because in trying to build up the content, I was like, what is it that I'm going to do with this channel? So I've been asking myself a lot of different questions to say, am I going to do reviews, tech reviews? I mean, there's MKBHD, like big channels that are doing that. And I was like, no, perhaps I have my own niche, which is like the African market, So name of the channel, Techno King. I don't know, tell me what you think. Techno King. Yeah, that's the name that came to my mind. And I feel that, yes, it could, it resonates with the kind of content I would like to share, So there's quite a lot. I'm thinking about what is my channel art going to be. I've designed some channel art. I've got some posters, some nice banners I've put up on my YouTube channel. You can check it out and see what is there, because I'm also taking this experience as a learning phase, just to say, okay, how do I learn and also help other people to learn, because anyone can create content and YouTube is an opportunity for everyone to make money. So I would like to make money with YouTube, and I'm not mincing my words about it. So I want to make sure that this strategy that I'm following here from my 39 subscribers on this account that I started years ago. Right, so we about to name the channel. We're going to call this channel Lord Love More. So I'll be a Lord on this channel. I think Lord Love More names the channel and gives it great resonance with what I'll be doing here. So I'll be dealing with tech issues mainly, and I think I can impart my knowledge in a way that can be appreciated by many and that can be helpful. As in my community and my small little close-knit family, people often call me Techno King, Tech Nights. So there's quite a lot of names around there. So when I try to do the search engine optimization, I realized that I need to stick my name, and the channel's handle, it's Love More Chanengeta, my name. So to have it now as a channel name, it sounded a little bit too long, Not that it's bad, I can still do that, but I need your opinion. So you can drop your comments to say what we should name the channel. It's still open. I think I'll do perhaps about 10, 3, 4, 5 trials. So apparently YouTube allows you to change the name of your channel and all those handles, perhaps like in about 60 days, you can still make those changes. So we can still play around and change it again and all of that. So we can use the comment section to help me or to guide me, give the channel a name. Yeah, like I'll be sharing tech tips, a lot of stuff, how to do stuff. I'll be doing a lot of tech reviews, and I'll be using my knowledge, and my work is in my community. That's what I always do. People always call me with tech issues, and I jump in to assist. That's the agenda. We're trying to give the channel a name, and the channel has to resonate with what we'll be doing on the channel. So like I've been going through a lot of things now, a lot of tactics on how to find this name. Apparently it's not coming any cheap or any easy. It's becoming the hardest task ever. So I think I'm just going to stick to Lord Love More, which is a title that I've been conferred with. And yeah, it's good for search engine optimization. That's what I'm considering. I mean, from Techno King to Techno Lord, right? So Techno King to Techno Lord. So Lord Love More, you know, so something like that. Yeah, I don't know, but that's what I'm thinking about. So let me know what you think. Then we'll take it from there. I'm all open for ideas and suggestions, but from where I'm standing, where I am, I'm now stuck at Lord Love More. That's where I'm stuck on, and I think it would be better if you guys can also help me out in terms of giving this channel a name. I was going with Techno King, which is Tech Nights, you know. But search engine optimization, I'm not winning there with the search engine optimization. It looks like it's overcrowded. A lot of people use that term, and it's not really going to work for my channel. So those are the things that you need to consider when you are starting the YouTube channel, the name of the channel, right? Then also, sometimes you can use your own name. It can work out. You never know, but it's something that you all have to learn. So I'm thinking of Lord Love More is the name of the channel that we're going to go with. You know what I mean? Because yeah, for now, we can still change it. There's two options, but for now, that's the name that we're going with. Lord Love More. Yeah. So that's because I'll be doing reviews, and I'll be doing how-tos, and I'll also be doing vlogs on my YouTube journey and different things, and I'll also be doing promotional videos, and so all of that together, that's what I'll be doing on this channel. So I need a name that can resonate with it. So far I'm a Lord, and I should embrace it, because yes, I'm Lord Love More of the Organ Manor, and yes, so I need to embrace that and use that title for what it is. So yes, so I'm going to use Lord Love More as the name of the channel. You tell me what you think. I'll also play another video like before this part. I'm sure you saw when I was so sure that I'm going to call this channel Techno King, but all of a sudden it now changes. Now it's going to Lord Love More. So I don't know what's going to come in the other day or on the next day or whatever, but for now we are at Lord Love More. That's what we're going to call this channel. So I think giving a name of naming a channel is more like naming a child. But now you are trying to be unique, right? And you need something that people can remember, right? And it must also communicate the content at the same time. So right now we have Lord Love More, that is me, going to be vlogging on this channel about my YouTube journey using vidIQ. So I think that journey with vidIQ that I'm taking to create content on YouTube, it is Lord Love More taking this journey. So that's why I think Lord Love More resonates better with this channel. So you watch the previous one, then you watch this one, and see what I'm talking about when I say this channel is a course. You can learn a lot from it as you go, because like now we are talking about naming the channel. I was so sure the other day that I'm going to call this channel Techno King, 100%, but now it has all changed up. The channel will be named Lord Love More. So I'm gonna name it Lord Love More, and I'm going to keep it as simple, because I think Lord Love More is easier to remember, because it's a title and my name. So people used to call me Mr. Love More, Mr. Love More, Mr. Love More. At some point I was the computer guy. At some point I used to have a Baki written, the IT guy, you know. So I think Lord Love More resonates better with me, and yes, I need to be called Lord. So from now on you refer to me as Lord. So I'm the Lord of Tech. So Lord Love More, that is my new title. I hope you learned a lot on my journey. So all I ask you to do right now is to subscribe, like, comment, and follow. Whatever that thing that does to the algorithm to make my YouTube channel grow, please do that. It will help me to grow and also to create more content. See you in the next video.